and a warm welcome to Galaxy International School. Bonjour à tous, vous êtes les bienvenus au Festival Intercultural Accra to our 18th Annual Intercultural Festival. The theme for this year's celebration is the fabric of peace, unity and love. Today, we have come together to showcase the traditions, the customs and arts from various cultures around the globe. Through music, dance, food and arts, we are here to promote oneness. So relax and enjoy the colorful tapestry of our Intercultural Festival. My name is Miss Doreen and I'm your host for today.